Hi, Judd here. I've got two new projects I'm undertaking and just going to do a quick intro to each of them. They're separate videos for compilation later with the total video, but just to show you where I'm at the moment. It's kind of cold here. We had a few cold days, and tonight's going to get really cold, down to 29 at the latest count. Every day I've been watching it for the last week, and every day they drop it a degree. So thank God it's not 30 days out. But after that, then we got a low of 42 the next night, and then there's nothing below 50 for the next 2 months, according to the forecasts. So hopefully we got 2 more days of this, and then we're free and clear. I can bear 50 at night. And when it goes down to 30 or 29 or 28, that's a bit much for me. So there we go. Enjoy and happy day to you. It's February 3rd, and I've got a project here. I've got to do things in Florida. Materials don't hold up well in Florida, and my porch that I'm standing on that I built a few years ago, well, 15, 20 years ago, has got some rot in it. So I've been researching that and what to do about it, and I've got to rebuild part of it. And part of the plywood decking had rotted away, and I've already cut that out. The rot occurred right at the top of the stairs. The plywood itself rotted out, and you can see there's still some little signs of it over here and another spot over here. So I'm going to have to cut them out. And this front beam, whatever you want to call it, is all rotted out. This is all dry rot, which I found out is a fungus. I'm going to have to take part of this board out. Of course, it's always fun trying to fix something that's under something else that's been built on top of it. You can see I've cut the plywood floor out. I got cut a little more. I gotta see if I can get that part out that's under this, and up there, because you can see that's a bit rotted. But anyways, this is where I'm starting from, and this is what I'm going to replace. I'm going to replace it with 1x4 southern yellow pine treated so that it can breathe. Part of the problem is ground moisture coming up. Keeps everything moist underneath. That's a big problem down here that I didn't face up north. So I'm going to have to remove those stairs, take those stairs out, take that wall off, and get access to that to replace parts of that beam. And be very clever about it, because as you can see, everything is built upon that beam. So I can't just pull that whole beam out or the whole porch falls down. Don't want that. So that's the starting point on that. More or less, I've already started because part of the floor's cut out. Okay, so we'll keep you up to date on that. This is the intro to a project I'm doing. This is the cypress knee project. I had an idea, and I recently bought this cypress knee, and I've already started prepping it. And what I had to do was use a putty knife to scrape off all the loose layers on it. I've got it down to this point, and I've just now bought a sanding wheel to take it down finer to a more hard surface. And when I get it down to smooth, hard wood, I'm going to carve a figure into it. So this is the intro. What is this? This is February 3rd. I bought this a few months ago, but I just started it the other day. So we'll keep track of this project. And happy day to you.